you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing a 4 flat twist out. You guys have seen me do a 4 braid out and a 4 twist out. So today it is time for some flat twist, which I have not done in a minute. So yeah, I've already washed and conditioned my hair. I did use Edenbody Works, peppermint and tea tree shampoo and conditioner, but y'all know I'm going to be styling and moisturizing my hair with my brand Goddess Curls. So I am just going to section my hair off, 2 sections on each side. Y'all know the drill. I'm going to spray it on down with water, detangle it, and then I will just go ahead and moisturize with my products. So I am going to just use the products in the order I always do, starting with the Divine Hair Elixir. I'm going to apply that to my scalp, rub it in just to make sure my scalp is nice and hydrated. And then I'm going to add a nice generous amount of our new Ravishing leave-in detangler. This is just going to help hydrate the hair, get that moisture started before I finish it off with our Enchanting moisture cream, which is packed with so much moisture. It's going to add shine, it's going to add hold, definition, and all that good stuff. And plus the products all smell amazing. So once I do that, I'm just going to smooth my hair one last time and then begin to flat twist. And y'all, I want to make this clear, this is not a flat twist out tutorial. So if you want to learn how to flat twist, I will link some of my older flat twist videos. I can't lie, I was a little rusty. At least I feel I was a little rusty doing these flat twists because I just don't flat twist very often anymore. So yeah, this is not a tutorial, but I am just going to show you my process and what I did, and you guys can watch that. But yeah, I have really been enjoying doing these 4 section hairstyles for you all, especially for myself, because like I've said, I'm just trying to be able to still get nice, defined, presentable hairstyles and looks without having to do the extra work, because I'm just at the point where although I still want my hair to be healthy, I want it to be nice and long and pretty and all that good stuff, I just do not be feeling like doing it. So yeah, there is nothing really to flat twisting once you finally get it down. I would just say to try to make sure you make you keep it nice and tight to your roots. I think there were maybe 2 twists where I had to redo it just so that it was, tight to my root, because that's what you want. You want it tight so that you can get as much definition as you can get. Detangle as you go, coil your end, and that's about it. So I'm just going to do that to my entire head and I'll come back. So this is the next morning. I am just going to start unraveling and all that good stuff. I have already added some oil to my hands just to help reduce frizz if I can and add a little bit more shine. Now, taking down flat twist is really simple. You literally just untwist like a regular twist, and each time that you do, you are just going to pull that strand of hair that you put in the twist. And it's really easy to see because it's going to show like a little gap between, so you can easily distinguish what you're supposed to be taking out. So I'm just going to do that and fast forward. So y'all, I was a little annoyed because one side of my hair, which is not this side, it's the other side, was a little damp. And typically, y'all know, I've shared this tip all the time. If your hair is still a little wet or damp, you can sit underneath your hooded dryer, or you can even diffuse it, whatever, for a while, so that it can dry really quickly. But I did not have the time, unfortunately. I had an appointment to get to. I was already rushing, trying to get my hair down, and I just did not have the extra time to then try and make this work. So I'm just going to I'm going to separate. So this side you see me separating is not wet. It's perfectly fine. The other side, I did have to get up inside of my mirror just to gently separate it without disturbing the curls too much. So I did do that off camera, unfortunately, but this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is my hair completely separated, and once I separated it, it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I was really scared for that side right here, just because y'all know when you start to separate wet hair or damp hair, it can turn into a poof ball. But I feel like I was still able to kind of keep it intact as much as I could. But this next clip is right after I fluffed it, and once I fluffed it a little bit and gave it a little bit more volume, more than it already had, I actually really liked this. Now, it wasn't perfect, so I'm sorry about that, but I still really like how this came out. I feel like I had a lot more volume with this chunkier for flat twist out. I feel like I had a lot more texture. I actually did really like this. So like I said, this did not come out perfect, but this could have been an easy fix. If I really wanted to, I could have just like pinned the sides, slicked down the sides so you couldn't really see that front wet section. But nonetheless, I still loved everything about this. It was super voluminous, and I don't know if it's just me. I feel like doing these chunkier sections have been making my hair so much more fluffy and just full of life. I don't know. Let me know down below if you agree. Maybe it's just all in my head, but I do want to show you guys before I end this video off, I did do a 6 flat twist out, which I will show you guys the results. It definitely came out a lot more defined. It was 100% dry this time, and it did also have a bit more shrinkage. So I think just depending on which look you're going for, either or would work. They both still decrease your styling time and all that. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have tried doing these chunkier flat twists, I would love to know your thoughts. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.